Good morning, students. Today, as already it has been discussed, that we shall be discussing notice writing. Okay. The topic for understanding for today's notice writing, I mean in the beginning, we are taking a notice. Let me introduce you with the topic. You are Sunail or Smita, the Secretary of Science Club, King's Public School, Delhi. Write a notice for the school notice board informing students for the inter-school science exhibition which is to be organized very soon, and we have to invent all the necessary details. So first of all, the topic should be clear that which topic we are going to start. Okay, whenever we start writing a notice writing is mainly for giving the information to a group of people or more, I mean many people. So the notices are written. They are written for the schools, colleges, universities, etc. And even public notices are also written for the public welfare. Many schemes government gives, or maybe some specific some authority can give a message to the public also. These notices which we are starting again, I know already you have done this with the Saroj ma'am, and you have practiced also. But okay, one more day for the practice as we are going to start it on the board itself. So first of all, when we write a notice, one second. I hope this is clear to you. First of all, we write the name of the given school. King's Public School, Delhi. And the date of the present day is mentioned on the board on the right side, or it may be written, even nowadays it is allowed to write below the notice also, but as we are in the habit of writing it in the starting. So the name of the school, then date of the day when we are writing the notice. Then if we are able to write the club name or the organizer's name, then it has to be mentioned, it has to be written positively. Then in the capital bold letters, we write the word notice. It should be visible to all. That when the students see this on the notice board, they should clearly understand that something is there for their noticing, or they have to do some action in the future. Then we start with this. The starting can be in different ways. The very simple starting also can be done. It is like all the students of the school are hereby informed. This is one starting. One starting, I mean the different one starting can be that this is to inform all the students of the school. As now this notice is specifically from classes 9th to 12th. Class 9 to plus 2, 10 plus 2. So we can start this in the effective way, also some different way, as not very usual. So this is very common for you. I know you understand, you know it better, as this writing skill, notice writing, has been there in your syllabus since last many years. Now we are starting with the club name itself. The Science Club invites, it is inviting the names, of bright and enterprising science students. Means those who are good enough, those who understand and love science subject. Only then they may be able to participate. So the names of bright and enterprising, those who can be believed upon that they will be doing the work effectively. Science students. Naturally, this is to understand that science students will be participating. So, class 9th and 10th, science is there as a main subject. After that, we know that in classes 11th and 12th, science stream those who have chosen. So, classes 9th to 12th for participating, the for participating in the inter-school science exhibition. This is the inform. Whenever we write a notice, the complete information is to be given to those who are reading it. So here the information is clear that science club is organizing the science exhibition, and we are inviting the names of not everybody, but the students, those who are intelligent and bright in science, those who can do a lot of efforts to make their model or their presentation project very effective. So this is inter-school science exhibition. It will be organized for the schools nearby area or the city. And when these participations are done, then many students come there. So for this school also, where we are writing the name, the science club is inviting the good students' names. The exhibition. Now this is also very urgent for us to to mention the date of the starting of that program or exhibition, it is there, and the ending date also. And one more thing is there, that as we are giving 3 days, that for 3 days continuously it will be organized from 15th to 18th of September. But this we have to understand that some days before the exhibition starts, the students have to submit their models or their projects. So clearly, as I am not going to tell you, or I am not going to teach you in the way very simple, things are the same. Statements, sentences, the way of giving. It is only the change. It is the change only in how to write, the way we are writing. The way we are writing now should be some different, as you are class 12 students and you are board class students. So your language should be some enriched in comparison to class 9th, 10th and 11th. So the exhibition will be organized in the school auditorium. We are giving the name of the place where it will be organized. So this is clear that in the organization will be done in the school auditorium itself. The dates are also clear mentioned. It is to be organized for 3 days, 15th to 18th of September. Now, the important message from the secretary, and this is commonly taken, the like the note, these informations they are discussed before. Only those students will be eligible, they will only be participating. So eligible, जो योग्य है, कौन योग्य है, एलिजिबल है, कौन उसके लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं या किनको सिलेक्शन जिनका होना है टू पार्टिसिपेट, सिर्फ उन्हीं को पार्टिसिपेशन का मौका मिलेगा. दे विल बी गेटिंग द चांस दोज ओनली हुज प्रोजेक्ट्स, जिनके प्रोजेक्ट्स are selected by the club. As the science club, we know this name now, the organizing committee, and the teachers are there in the selection committee, and they will be finding as many students will be making the projects and their models, but all cannot be selected, as the best ones are to be selected only on the school behalf, as it is inter-school science exhibition. So they will be eligible only to participate whose projects are selected by the club, by the science club. So now we are inviting names, and in the end we write, give your names with your projects and models. The students from classes 9th to 10 plus 2, they have to give their names and obviously roll number also, names with the project they have made and the model, even the project, I mean either the project or the model to the undersigned by 12th of September. Now this, the dates can be changed whenever we write a notice. Let me again remind you, we have to keep in mind three very important things. First is the information itself. Second is the place where it is to be organized. Third is the dates which are to be mentioned very clearly to the participants or the students. This can be for some specific classes or this can be for all the school students. In the end, we write, give your names with your projects and models to the undersigned by 12th of September. This is the date given for the, for giving, for submitting the project or for the model. Then the name for the post. Here the secretary is writing this notice for the science exhibition. So in the end, at the left corner, we have to write secretary science club. These, the designation of the person. This may be the science teacher also. This may be the president of science club, and this here the person may be the secretary of the science club. So here it is necessary to write the authority name, that who is giving this information to the students. So I hope you understand, because if in the deep I will go, it will be wasting some time. The school name, the club name, organization name, then the word notice in bold letters, date here in corner, then we start it with the main, that information we are going, and who is giving the information? The science club invites the names. And here I think that the complete information I have added. This is for your understanding and revision. If you want to change some wording, it is okay. Nobody is going to stop you, but we have to understand that 3 points are there, that information should be very clear, that what is going to be done. Then the dates are to be mentioned when and up to when. Then the place where it is to be, all is to be done. And obviously the last date also here, as we have given it, the 12th of September. Secretary Science Club, the designation of the person, जो उसकी post, वो कोई student secretary या कोई भी एक person हो सकता है. So I think this will help you in writing other notices also. I will give you some notices for you to make the practice also. Okay, thank you.